everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to explore the latest e-commerce update in Odoo 19.2. So here in this video, we'll cover 4 important updates. First one is actually pickup point filtering by country. So let's move on to there. If any of your customers actually moving onto the shop side and just need any kind of product and it will be moving on to add to cart, let me show you what happens there. Okay, so let me add this one. All right, once I'm done with that, now let me add to cart. Just adding this into the cart, and now you can available this inside your view cart. Okay. So now customers could see all the pickup location even from other countries as well if they are in other country. I'll show you moving on to the checkout session and moving on to the address. There we have standard delivery and pickup in store. Moving on to the pickup in store, now they can simply choose the pickup location from here itself. And now you can say there we have only one location. If multiples are there, they can choose it. Okay. So there we can, in Odoo 19.2, pickup points are filtered based on the customer's country. Only relevant locations are shown there as well. If the customers have different kind of location which is already provided, that can be shown here, and they can choose a better checkout experience and less confusion as well. So this is the first updation that in e-commerce sector. And let's look for the second one, which is hide categories for curated shop. So moving on to the e-commerce, there we have categories. So under the categories, you can now hide the specific product category. If I'm selecting the desk, there you can see a hide category that is not in shop, which means if checker, the category will not be displayed in the main catalog page. So you can simply enable this option, and if you're saving this manually, moving on to the shop side, this cannot be shown. This particular category is not showing under your website and your e-commerce website very well. Okay, so it is actually create a clean show front and highlight features or seasonal items as well. Now you can use them. And the third is actually prevent sales by category. Now let's see what happened there. Moving on to the configuration, under the settings, there we have hide categories. Hiding using the 0 prices. So let me search for hide first of all. So there you can see hide add to cart. If I'm just selecting this option is showing that contact us for 0 priced product for specific category. So this means if you guys are just providing any of the product, there we didn't have any prices that we provided. So it's provided as 0 priced. So under that, there it showing that please contact us. Okay. So the customer can click on the contact us and they can directly contact us and providing all such details. Now you can do what else. There you can simply provide a specific category. So if you're just providing it as a specific category, you can choose which are the category it will be showing the contact as instead of the pricing. Okay, so there you can choose any of the category that you needed to provide. So let me provide like this, and moving on to the shop sectors. After saving this, you can see that under there we have contact us instead of that. Okay, let me save this. After onwards, I will show you what happened that. Okay. So moving on to the side itself. Moving on to the shop. Now I'll show you. If you're just selecting the furniture as a category, there we have different kind of furniture which shows like this. And for a particular category, if I'm just choosing it, there we have an option to contact us. Okay, so now we can also provide them instead of bad as well. Now let's look for the fourth one, which is what? Revamped order dashboard. So moving on to the revamped order dashboard, let's head over to the site. Not site, e-commerce session. And there we have order session, and under the order dashboard, now you can see that it's look at a new order dashboard. Like there we have different kind of option that is actually configured. There we have 3 smart button which shows to fulfill to confirm to invoices, and there we have the activities as well. Okay, so what is improved now? You can see it's there we have a cleaner interface, better order visibility, and easier navigation as well. So what are the benefit of this dashboard is actually faster order processing, improved management as well. Okay, so with these update, it's basically very easy, and there you can see the activities is showing that the what you should do in the next level, like discuss discounts and suggest optional product or follow up on satisfaction as well. So this will be a a revamped dashboard in Odoo 19 e-commerce session. So this is the thing. I hope you all understood this video. Like, these update is actually going to change your e-commerce website. So I'll be back with another kind of updates in Odoo 19.2. So till that, bye bye.